Also, I did want to talk about SEO. So a lot of people have been asking me a little bit about SEO and what to do and, how to go about it. SEO is a complicated thing because you could watch a video that's a year old and it could be completely obsolete, or it could actually cost you your rankings. So you have to be careful about what you're doing. Not everything can be solved through, a chat GPT script, or, just making posts. I get it. It's great. You can do those things, but those aren't bringing people to your door. It's just like a show, you're just putting something on just to show it. How do we make it useful? How do we make your Google business page rank high? How do we make sure that when somebody asks for, contractors in Westland, where are you popping up and what niche, where are you in that slot of competitors in your area? So there's a lot of questions that need to be answered at first. Once we know where we've been, then I can kind of give you an idea of where you need to go. Look, I've been preaching this for about 2 years now, and now it's really coming to fruition. Content. You need to put video content out there using keywords on each individual page and having a purpose for each individual page, maybe creating pages for specific cities in that area. But also, don't forget that when you're trying to rank for search engines, content right now is king. And I'm not talking about social media content. I'm talking about like putting it on YouTube, taking that video, embedding it on your website, creating articles, a blog, something along those lines. You got to do something in that regard. That alone will set you apart. I promise you. It doesn't show up right away, but the results will speak for themselves. As long as you have a good platform to work off of, in which I'm talking about your website, as long as your website is functioning and it's SEO friendly and you got everything, going right, then the next step would be to get as many reviews as possible on your Google business page, but also adding videos to YouTube and then uploading those back into your website. That's probably the number one trick I could give you right now. Now, if you need somebody to do that kind of stuff, I'm the man for it, so reach out. If you have any questions about SEO, if you have any questions about, I know it's a little bit more general. This is not like a super specific video. It's just a little tip for you guys to use and go off of. And hopefully you'll see some of the benefit in that and remember me and call me and say, hey, I did a little bit of it. Now I want to take it to the next level. And that's what I'm here for. Do me a favor, reach out if you have any questions, 820-280-2828. We're here for you.